One more question frequently asked is how to differentiate between rectal cancer and piles causing the problem. It is almost impossible to tell that it is only piles which is causing the disease without examining the patient. So symptom wise, if somebody, especially elderly patient who never had any problem with the bottoms, who never had constipation, no bleeding, no mass, no pain, and suddenly they develop some symptoms in the anal canal. Maybe it is bleeding, maybe it is some obstruction to passing motion. First, we have to exclude cancer. In all elderly patients, we have to exclude cancer, even though they may have piles, they can still have cancer. Because cancer is a serious disease, piles is not that dangerous disease, not life-threatening disease. But cancer is a life-threatening disease, and it should be diagnosed very early. You can't go on delay. Well, let me see after 6 months. It is doomed. So it is very difficult to differentiate between the symptoms of cancer and the piles. In piles, usually it is fresh bleeding, drops of blood or syringe like, and it is usually bright red bleeding, indicates it is piles. But that can also happen from the cancer. It's not that cancer can't bleed that way. So you can't tell that, oh, I am not having cancer. Second thing is, if there are obstructive symptoms, difficulty in passing motion, and pain in this one will not be caused by piles. So if you have pain, discomfort, or obstruction to passing motion, there may be other diseases along with piles, or even cancer can present that way. So cancer doesn't have any specific symptoms exclusively for cancer, except in the very late stages. So by that time, if you diagnose cancer, it is of no use. So don't wait for those symptoms. That's why I'm not describing those symptoms, because if you think that only with that we will be having cancer, is wrong. So all cancers anywhere in the body, they may not cause pain in the beginning. They may have very little bleeding or small symptoms. So whenever you are suspicious, you have to get it examined, rule out cancer, then only think in terms of, because regularly we will be getting patients even coming from first world countries, from UK and other countries, where they have been treated for piles or fissure or fistula and missing the cancer. So it is a very dangerous trend. So you have to get it examined whenever there is a bleeding or pain or whatever symptoms you have. Just go to a surgeon or a gastroenterologist or a proctologist, get it examined, rule out cancer, then whatever treatment is advised, you can follow it.